I want you to glance at your watches, because I'm doing this in real time. Just a few seconds ago, we entered Monaco. There's the world-famous harbour with all the expensive yachts. The Monte Carlo Casino and the Hotel de Paris, where Frank Sinatra used to lock swords with Errol Flynn. All around it lies France. But in just a few seconds, that's it. That was Monaco. It was literally as small as London's Hyde Park. But Monaco's always punched above its size. The last 50 years, it's been the most glamorous, the most star-studded, and the richest place on earth. Monaco may be minuscule, but thanks to the Grand Prix, Grace Kelly, and the superstars who flock here, it's got a big reputation that's transformed it into a land where money is king. How much is this going to cost me?
1,100,000 euros.
So that view is worth about 30 million.